Today's video starts with two questions. The first is, do thunderstorms and the lightning that accompany them supercharge the environment so that spirits can talk easier with the living? The second is, does YouTube have an award for really bad lighting in introduction sequences? And if so, how do I apply for it? So let's begin. There we go. Now there's a thunderstorm out, and it says that these things work better during a thunderstorm. So let's see. Hello? Is there anybody out there who wants to speak with us?
Carl? Select
Carl. I heard me, Carl. Is that correct? If there's anyone who wants to speak to us, can you confirm it by saying Austin, the name of my dog? Oh, I heard that. Yeah, I'm okay. Can you... Is it easier for you to talk clearly when there's a thunderstorm? Is that true? Do you like it where you are? I'm going to try another box to see if I can hear you better, okay? All right, I'm completing it. And hopefully you can use this box as good as the other one, or I'll go back to the other one. Yes. Okay. As you can tell, it's a thunderstorm outside. We got the lightning coming again. And I was told lightning helps you energize so that you can talk better. I thought we'd try this box since there's a lightning storm out. And I was wondering if that does make a difference, if you could tell me if the lightning storm makes a difference. And also if you like this box better than the last one we were using. The last one was the XTS-Spirit Box.
Have this problem.
Hello? I can't make out what you're saying. I think it seems like you're having a harder time with this one. Is that true?
A hard time.
Yeah, I heard harder time. I'm gonna see if the other box will work, okay? Are you ready to try that? Okay. Hi. Is this... Let's put the volume as loud as we can on this one.
Blast off. Morning.
Good morning.
Calm. Checking a few. Why am I out?
Can you tell me the name of my other dog, River? Can you repeat that?
As mother.
So, is there anything you'd like to say on YouTube to everybody?
Sweet. But or
a lot of people are fascinated where you are because they know someday they'll be there.
Wow.
What's it like?
Great. I would ask.
Are you in a waiting place, or is this where you're going to stay?
Well, here. Lady. Oh.
What do you? I heard waiting. What are you waiting for? Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you want to subscribe, please do hit the subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, great. Love you guys. You're wonderful. Pass this around to everybody. Hit the bell so you don't miss any videos, and say hi to Ginger. Hi. See you next week. Bye.